Welcome to the best picks. The best Ford Raptor is probably one of the most iconic and capable off-road trucks ever built, blending raw power with surprising on-road comfort, and this in-depth review will cover everything you need to know before buying one, from its ferocious engine and advanced off-road technology to its surprisingly comfortable interior and daily drivability, helping you decide if this beast is the right fit for your needs and budget. Number 5. Pedal Commander F-150. Take control of your Ford F-150's throttle response with the Pedal Commander. It's easy to install and offers customizable driving modes for any situation. Choose from Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus modes. It tailors your driving experience to your needs, whether you're on or off-road. Eco mode helps optimize your fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Get more miles per gallon without compromising your driving enjoyment. Installation takes just 10 minutes thanks to its plug-and-play design. The free app provides seamless control and customization. It's designed to not affect your vehicle's warranty. It's compatible with other performance upgrades, too. The Pedal Commander also includes an anti-theft mode, locking your gas pedal via the app for added security. It's designed specifically for 2011 to 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor models, including various engine types. Enjoy a perfect fit and enhanced performance. What we like. It offers various driving modes to suit your needs, and has a unique anti-theft feature. Installation is a breeze. If you want to enhance your driving experience and boost security, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The device itself, while diminutive in nature, has a good feel to it, and the control module's buttons are responsive to touch. Once I figured out how to remove the accelerator's OEM's connector, total install time took less than 2 minutes. What it accomplishes, though, and does so flawlessly, is elimination of lag time from when the pedal is depressed. Throttle response is noticeably abrupt and our flex now jumps off the line. Merging onto the freeway, and passing cars from lane to lane, is an absolute enjoyment. This Pedal Commander unit totally replaces that button on the shifter. It's not that you can't use it, but it's overkill to the point of impeding drivability. This unit makes the truck quicker due to no lag in the throttle response, which is essentially what the truck's stock sport mode does, only this unit can do it much more aggressively or much less aggressively, depending on how you set it up. Number 4. LEGO Technic Ford F-150 Raptor. Get ready for an immersive building experience. This model is a detailed replica of the iconic Ford F-150 Raptor pickup truck. It boasts a V6 engine with moving pistons, just like the real thing. Plus, it features realistic suspension on all wheels. Explore its incredible details, including 4 opening doors, an opening hood, and a functional truck bed. It's packed with features. This challenging yet rewarding build is perfect for adults who enjoy intricate projects. Unwind and enjoy the process. Once complete, proudly display it. This LEGO Technic model is a stunning addition to any collection. It's a true showstopper. Looking for a gift for a Ford enthusiast or LEGO lover? This set is the perfect choice. It combines the best of both worlds. What we like. This detailed model is a fun and engaging building experience. It boasts impressive accuracy and is a great collectible item. If you enjoy challenging builds and appreciate realistic models, this is the one for you. What people say. Great product, amazing details mechanically to replicate the actual F-150 Raptor. Allowed time with my son to provide how a vehicle works. Owning a Raptor myself, I can say that this model is really impressive with incredible detail right down to the piston heads moving. The F-150 was designed with a much more realistic V6 engine. The way the pistons work is a huge improvement over the prior vehicle designs I've seen. Number 3. Raptor Fog Lights for Ford F-150. These fog lights are designed to perfectly fit the 2017 to 2020 Gen 2 Ford Raptor OEM bumper. They won't fit standard F-150s or aftermarket bumpers. The matte black finish and smoke lens give your truck a great look. They're more than just fog lights. They feature switchback LED DRLs with amber sequential turn signals. This adds a unique, stylish touch while enhancing safety. Installation is a breeze. No modifications are needed. They simply mount to your bumper, and the included wiring harness and instructions make it easy to connect. Made from durable ABS plastic, these lights are built to last. The high-lumen LEDs are energy efficient, waterproof, and incredibly long-lasting. Your purchase includes 2 fog lights, a wiring harness, and installation instructions. Everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade is right in the box. What we like. It features stylish sequential turn signals and is super easy to install. The lights are incredibly bright and durable. If you're looking to upgrade your truck's look and visibility, this is a must-have. What people say. Installed on a 2019 Raptor. Took about 2.5 to 3 hours with help. Looks great, wired to 2 upfit switches. Would recommend this product. First out of the box, these lights are actually really nice looking. They appear to be very solid build quality, and an easy install. Good plug-and-play set for Raptors. Snaps right in. Number 2. MNR Automotive LED Light Kit. This kit is designed to dramatically improve visibility. It features powerful white and amber LED light bars for optimal performance. Experience superior illumination with the bright white LEDs. It boasts an impressive 15,000 lumens, ensuring you see and are seen. The amber LEDs provide enhanced visibility in challenging conditions. They offer 7,000 lumens of focused light. With 36x5W white LEDs and 36x3W amber LEDs, it delivers exceptional brightness and longevity. It's built to last. It's designed for optimal energy efficiency. The white lights consume 180W, and the amber lights consume 108W. It's compatible with 2017 to 2020 Ford Raptor and F-150 models. It's a perfect upgrade for your truck. We stand behind our product with exceptional customer support. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. This offers powerful white and amber light bars for superior illumination. It boasts an impressive lumen output. If you need extra lighting for off-road adventures or improved visibility, this is ideal for you. What people say. These light bars are legit, a little tough to install. MNR sent me the correct brackets to fit my 2023, you have to let them know if you are going to be installing on a newer truck. Very bright and worth the money. They weren't super bright, but they definitely get the job done. They were very easy to install in my Raptor to the factory AUX switches. You can see the before and after in the pictures here. Before you've got your stock Gen 2 Raptor, and after install of both 40s lights. The lights themselves were relatively easy to install, instructions were good. It certainly makes both a visual upgrade and practical useful upgrade, both on-road and off-road, to be able to see a greater distance. I also like the look with them off, just looks more intimidating overall and a more aggressive look. Number 1. Ford Raptor Leather Wallet. This isn't just a wallet, it's a statement. Crafted from premium materials, it's built to last and keep your essentials safe and secure. It's designed specifically for the rugged demands of your truck and your lifestyle. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Experience the luxurious feel of genuine black carbon fiber leather. It's both durable and sophisticated, reflecting your discerning taste. It protects your valuable information from electronic theft. Keep your cards and personal data safe from unauthorized access. Securely holds your cash, eliminating the need for a bulky billfold. It's sleek, convenient, and always ready. It's perfectly sized to fit your needs and designed to complement your Ford F-150 Raptor. Enjoy the seamless integration of style and practicality. What we like. It's made of high-quality carbon fiber and has RFID blocking for security. It also has a stylish and compact design. If you are looking for a premium, secure, and stylish wallet, this is perfect for you. What people say. Great and durable. Very nice. Perfect. What extra cards? You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.